but paragraphs are only 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so only for these paragraphs we have to select heading, means what is the main aim of the paragraph, that we need to select. Okay, so now I will be doing a list of headings first, and just see how I am finding it within minutes only. So my strategy will remain same. I will be reading and understanding these headings, because we need to understand the headings as well as some keywords we have to take out. So when you will be doing practice, within 30 seconds you can easily read all the things and underline the keywords. Natural scent remains through artificial odors rises. Okay, artificial and natural scent. Okay, traditional aromas are not in fashion. Traditional old things are not in fashion. Okay, so Madagascar, the best spot. Okay, this is the location they are telling for finding surviving plants. Design of a simple yet ingenious device. Some design they may be talking, but basically they may be talking some equipment and all. A substitute for substance extracted from animal was found. So I will be looking for animal, and substitute means some alternative or replacement kind of thing will be there from animal. So exploration in Madagascar, chasing new fragrances. Okay, some exploration, some research work in Madagascar. Chasing new means getting new fragrances. One company's great success in market. Any company's great success in market they may be talking about. Okay, new challenges and tasks. We have already done, we have already read all the things. Now one by one, paragraph A we will be reading. Yes, we will be reading paragraph A. Yes, so this is my A paragraph. So I'm giving you time, you can read it, but of course I am telling you how to find answers. So when there is a list of heading, always read first two sentences. If two sentences, let's read. If ever since this plied their trade in ancient Rome, perfumers have had to abreast of changing fashion. So fashion word I have got these days. They have several thousand ingredients to choose from when creating new scents, but there is always a demand for new combinations. So these two sentences I have read. So now I will not read furthermore, and I will try to match any headings. So natural scent remains through artificial odors rises. Traditional aromas are not in fashion. So fashion word was there. See this, changing fashions, and here these days have several thousand ingredients when creating new scents, but there is always a demand for new combinations. It means traditional aromas are not in fashion. Okay, so I will be selecting this, and you can read all the things. Madagascar, the best spot for finding surviving plants. Design, no, animal kind of thing. Exploration, one company's new challenge. Nothing is given, only one. I am matching first two sentences, but you can read if you are thinking that not possible by selecting first two sentences, then you can read last sentence also. Many are intended to attract pollinators, others are produced for different purposes. The fragrant resins, so they are talking about something different. New smells, new word is there actually everywhere. So they are new combinations, it means they are talking. And see this, fashionable and new is also given. So that's why traditional aromas are not in fashion. It means they are looking for new fashion, new types of thing. So that's why we have selected correct. And B paragraph. Now I am giving you time, you can go through it. Only first 2-3 sentences. Sentences means starting from here till the full stop. This is one sentence. Okay. So the island of Madagascar is an evolutionary hotspot. 85% of its plants are unique, making it an ideal source for novel fragrances. Last October, Quest International company that develops fragrances for everything from most delicate perfumes to cleaning products sent an expedition to Madagascar in pursuit of some nature's most novel fragrances. Oh, so I have read so many things. Now I have got the first thing in first line. Madagascar, it is a hot spot. Okay, so they were talking about Madagascar, the best spot for finding surviving plants. So they are talking everything here. Ideal source for novel fragrances, 85% of its plants. And last year this company had this company had visited, and that dwells fragrances for everything this and this. So that's why this will be the answer for this. Also we have selected for C, for B paragraph we have, so this, and here second number was there. Now C paragraph we will be reading. You can support me, please subscribe, like and comment, and thank you so much. But do practice with me, then you will be supporting me more. Now I am showing you third C paragraph. See this. With most flowers or plants, the hunters used a technique originally designed to trap and identify air pollutants. This technique is relatively simple. I think I think they are talking about, but let's read little bit more. Small sentences are there. Grass bell or jar or flask is fitted from over the flower. The fragrance molecules are trapped in heads space and can be extracted by pumping the air. So it is clear they are talking about any equipment, anything like so here natural scent remain, no, so design of a simple yet ingenious device they are talking. Okay, so they are talking about design or equipment. So we can select this C number paragraph. So here it is number 4, because how the perfume is taken out from the flower and all, they are just talking about this thing. And here last line also you can read. After a few hours the hunters retract the rubber needle and seal the tube, keeping the until they can be injected this and this. Okay, so that's why, and nothing is any other heading is not matching. See this. So we can select this one. Now D paragraph. Some of the most promising fragrances were those given off by raisins that oozed from the bark of trees. Raisins are the source of many traditional perfumes. Okay, they are talking about raisins, including, and this, the most exciting raisin came from this tree which produces a, now here they are talking about tree kind of thing. From this tree, from the bark of tree, they are producing fragrances. The sap of this rich and this, is it matching? Natural scent remains, artificial odor rises. These three we have selected. Animal exploration in chasing new fragrance. One company's great success in market, new challenges and tasks. Okay, so nothing is matching, but something should be there. Let's read it little bit more. But it also smelt. Now within 1 or 2 sentences we couldn't get any heading. That's why I am reading it more. Industry has learned life musk glands of beavers and once a key ingredients in many perfumes. The company does not use, animal word is there, does not use animal products any longer, but it was wonderful to find a tree with an animal smell. It means initially they were talking about how they can get fragrances from bark of tree. Now they have given the main thing, they are not using animal products. It means animal kind of thing was here. Now they have learned some substitute, like from tree they are getting it. So this is 5th number. Okay, now E number is left, E paragraph. Now we have been left 1, 2, 3 options are left. Let's see. 4 options are left. Let's see what will be matching. Now this is E paragraph. Let's read it. So I can see challenge word here. Okay. The group also set out for from the island, because I have just read challenge word here. So that's not the thing that you have got the word you will be selecting. No, little bit we have to match the things. Okay. The group also set out from the island to capture the smell of coral reefs. Odors that conjure up sun-kissed seas are highly sought after by the perfume industry. From the ocean, the only thing we have is seaweed. and that has a dark and heavy aroma. Okay, we hope to find something unique among the corals, says Deer. The challenge for the hunters was to extract a smell from water rather than air. Okay, this was an opportunity to try Clary's new aqua space. Okay, I think they are talking about the new challenges and tasks. So I will be selecting this only. This is it.